Hey folks, so I couldn't have expected that 2022 was going to start in this way, and seems to me like there's such an acceleration of the awakening process right now. Well, with the Freedom Convoy fully revealing the totalitarian regime of Trudeau, I see more and more people really questioning the narratives of this little sadistic, hateful man that just happens to look good and look sweet in his grandma's little dream, but is actually just sowing the seeds of division everywhere, and people are seeing it. And of course there's emerging convoys all over the world that are similarly seeing through things, and I'm just mind blown. It's just way beyond what I've expected. I'm just left with this feeling that there is a greater intelligence that is moving through humanity right now, which is using this draconian totalitarian overreach in order to leverage a massive, accelerated, global awakening of human consciousness. I'd say it looks like the work of God, really. And let me know in the comments below if you're seeing similar light in the middle of the darkness, that people that you didn't expect are actually starting to wake up. Beautiful day here by the lake. I hope you're well, and I look forward to hearing your observations. See you soon.